Today we will be creating a story using the Microsoft Word skills that we have been working on over the past few weeks. So we are going to get started by going to my website. You're going to click on the third grade page. And the lesson for today is typing with a purpose. Don't forget to use the password to log in. You're going to click on this link here to download the file. You'll need to download the file and follow the directions. So I'm going to click on this. As we did with our test last week, my file is downloaded down here at the bottom. I'm going to click on that, and Microsoft Word is going to start for me. So what I need to do first is I need to say enable editing. You're going to be writing a story based on this picture that you see here. The first thing you need to do is write your name, and this is going to be your name and not the title of your story, so I know whose it is. So the directions: type a story about the purpose for inventing this machine. Please remember to include the beginning, middle, and end of your story. When you are done, you will save this as invention story / your name. You're going to look at this picture here. It's a machine. I don't know who invented it. I don't know when. I don't know what the purpose of it was. You're going to come up with a story for this. Your story has to have, like I mentioned already, beginning, a middle, and an end. Each one of these needs to be at least one paragraph long. So one paragraph for the beginning, one for the middle, and one for the end of your story. And each paragraph should contain about 3 to 4 sentences. You're going to start with the title of your story. You're going to use your Microsoft Word skills that we have learned. We said that to make our title look nice, we can make it aligned in the center. Write our title here. And then you can click enter to go to a new line. If this is aligned in the center, your new line will be aligned in the center as well. You can change the alignment by clicking here, and then you can start writing your story. If you want to play with the title, my recommendation is that you write your story first, and then if you want to make your title look prettier, you can click on it to select it, come up here, change your font like we've done, change the size of the font, maybe change the color of your title. I don't know, whatever it is that you want to do with your title to make it look prettier, okay? So again, it's going to be 3 paragraphs. Your first paragraph has to be an introduction. What is this machine? Who invented it? Maybe when? And then create a story about it. 3 paragraphs, beginning, middle, and end. And each one should ideally have 3 to 4 sentences. Remember, you always end a sentence with a period, and you start with a capital letter. And don't forget to capitalize names. Okay? When you are done, you're going to have to save your story. You're going to go to File, Save As, browse to find your folder, click on Documents, 3rd grade. Here is my folder, and I'm going to click Save to save my story. Okay? It is your turn to get started.